Yes, Deepa, yeah, please go ahead. You want to share your screen?
Yeah, let me try to share.
Hari, you were saying some issues, right? Data issue on the date conversion. Have you it got
Uh,
resolved? Or?
yeah, Chandra, actually, so from when we are reading the date of joining and date of birth, so first I have tried to read as a date tag. Later on, when I tried something else like as input is string and I converted to date and then it's populated correctly.
Okay. Yeah, that's what you have to read. Okay. So if you are reading the date format from flat file, read it as, if it is not correct format, read it as text format, okay, string, and then convert by using the functions in expression, okay? Whatever the format you want.
Yeah, Chandra. Chandra, another thing is there will be a target-based loading is there, right? One concept which the exercise which you have given one exercise in the flat file. So first we have to take the data and we have to load the data into flat file. Then that file again we have to use in the another pipeline.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
That would
Target
be
load order you have to use.
Yeah. Target load order we can use in the session mapping designer property. Then we can use that, right?
Yes, correct. If you are not able to complete that one, give some time. So when I'm going to take that target load plan and target load type, I will explain you. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Reba, is your system opened or?
Yeah, I can share in a minute.
Okay. Others, do you have any other doubt on the exercises? See, feel free to ask the questions. Okay. If you have any questions on the even the basic loading data type and everything, if you have any questions, please let me know. Then only I can understand. Okay, you are facing some issue. We can solve it. Okay, don't hesitate that.
Hi, Chandra.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, in joiner transformation, we have only a equal symbol, right? So
Yes,
how to
correct.
achieve not equals and all?
Not equal to we cannot do by using joiner. See, if I want to do not equal to, then you have to go for lookup.
Okay, we will see in future.
Yeah, non-equi join, we have to go for lookup transformation only.
Okay.
So only equi join you can perform by using the joiner.
Okay.
And you can do 4 type of joins, like you can do normal join, master outer, detail outer, full outer, all this. You can go for this one.
Okay, Chandra.
Oh, okay. You are using regular expression match. Is it giving you the data?
Yeah, actually, one second. Mute.
Okay. Can you make that job ID as upper of job ID?
So this one, right? So without underscore, if I have to achieve, how do I do that?
You have to underscore. Sorry, you are.
I mean, if I'm not using underscore, I'm not getting the exact result. Only after using the underscore, I'm able to fetch the output.
Yeah, the data it has underscore, right? That's why.
Yeah. So suppose if we are not aware that we know only the pattern as clerk, then how would we achieve that?
Put that underscore inside.
Oh, inside this
Yeah.
Here. Okay.
That you need to learn this regular expression very clearly.
Oh, okay.
So regular expression, we have a lot of things. Okay, make sure click OK. See, this meaning is either small letter, capital letter of A to Z, and in addition to that, we can have this clerk, right? That is what the meaning.
Yeah.
The clerk should be there at the ending. So before that, you can have any letters, anything that underscore or anything you can have. So that's what you have
So,
mentioned. Now you can run.
yeah, okay. I am not aware like what symbol is there available there. Okay, so what is the other thing I can add instead of underscore? Is there any common
Other whatever you want to give here, exceptions you can give here. See,
Okay.
regular expression is separate concept here. So that's we can see we are using that cap symbol, that's different meaning. Okay,
Mm.
underscore. See, the data has underscore. You can put all the special characters here.
Yeah, for instead of all the special characters, is there any specific
Ah,
like
no.
okay.
All the
Okay,
special
so
characters we can mention over here. Now try to run, whether it is taking or not, we will check it.
yeah.
Save and refresh mapping. Or you can go for in string. This can be achieved by using the in string operation also.
Oh, okay.
So I did it through in string only, not
Actually, I
with
got
regular
the
expression.
result, but my question was like underscore also we have to give, or if there is any other thing like a percentage symbol that I can use instead of specifying that underscore for all the special characters.
You can have any characters that we have. Any characters, one option is there.
We can use that star inside the braces, right, Chandra?
Yeah, any characters you can use. That is also free. First you run this one and then we will check it that also.
Okay.
Otherwise you can go for in string also. I did it through in string only.
Okay.
In string,
Oh.
substring, you know, right? That's
Yeah, actually,
in string you can
right.
use. In string you can use for like keyword.
I'm learning now only, so
Okay.
I'm not very comfortable using that. So this was quite simple, so I tried.
In string is nothing but it will return position of the character. If it is available, it will return on 0 values. If it is not available, you will be getting 0. So you are allowing only true values alone.
What is the replace of like in here in Informatica, Chandra? One is in string, another one is what we can use.
You can use any other regular expression.
Okay.
Any other regular expression. Regular expression concept is separate concept.
Correct. Yeah, I know that part.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
different
so
one.
I have got,
Okay, Chandra.
yeah, Chandra, I have got the result of 45. So
Oh, we were not able to see. We are not able to
oh,
see
is
your
it?
screen. Yeah, only designer we can able to see. I think you
Okay.
have shared only designer.
How to share or show all windows, it is it?
One more time, share screen. Put that first desktop option. See, for all the exercises, right? You create one more folder. You do all the exercises in the folder. Okay.
Okay. Are you able
45
to see
records.
now?
Yeah. 45 records is the correct result.
Yeah.
Okay, you put the star over here instead of underscore. See, here you are using square bracket, right? Instead of square bracket, if you put that braces, right? That's a different meaning. Star, remove that star. Another star, one star is there, right?
So, I mean, the star that we have given outside the braces is like that is going to fetch any of the character.
That's inside also we have given, right? So remove that outside star. Now validate.
Space star, I think.
It is validating,
Okay.
but
Click on OK here.
okay.
Apply. Save. Now you have to refresh the mapping. Okay. Refresh mapping. Right click on the task. on the task. No, on the task.
Okay.
Refresh mapping.
No saving is required here.
Okay, start. Start workflow. Zero records, not matched,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, 0 records.
Okay, so you have to use, you try, okay, so you regular expression, you have to check. So if you need some document on regular expression, I can give you. One document is there.
Okay.
You put only asterisk, it will remove, I think so.
No, that didn't work.
Yeah. So that you have to check it.
Yeah.
This is another way where that you can put underscore.
Try with some space, Reba.
Space also will not work. Space, how it will take, right? See, space also one of the character, right? That time it will take star and space, both.
Mhm. I have used regular replace. So special characters are all removed. I've used a cap before the
The cap
alphabet.
symbol is, I think, exclude option.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, we have some different meaning for each and every symbols. So that we have to learn completely. Then only we can use the regular expression.
Okay.
The usage will be very high, regular expression usage. So that time, whenever you're getting the value, right, you can just
I have one more thing doubt with this one. The approach, what's that? The Unix format of the date format was there, right? For this, when I after I use the formula that you have given here, but after the output that I receive is not having the year with the 4 digit. It is having the year only the last 2 digits.
the
In
database you
the
are saying.
yeah, in the database.
That's okay. If you are using toChar, right, it will be there. If you are using toChar function, you can able to see that just only for the view it's showing that. That's the way. So instead of database, if you are going to load the data, so you go to the mapping, go to the mapping.
Yeah.
In the target, you see the data.
So that was
Expression first, second exercise.
okay.
Expression 2. Yeah. You make all the exercise in another folder. Okay.
Okay.
Right click on the target. Right click on the target. View data. No. Right click on the data. Right click. Right click on the target. No, not double click. Right click.
Okay, you are saying here?
No, not here. Here only. Right click. Once view data is there.
Preview
Preview
data.
the data.
Preview data. Yes. Click on preview data. Connect the database. The above you choose Oracle TGT. Username is core. Tab. No. Capital core you give owner name. Owner name capital. Owner name is nothing but your schema name. Okay. Password core. See your date of birth, how it is coming. Oh, it's coming correctly, right?
Here it is coming correctly, but when you check
that's a tool, SQL developer tools properties. Okay. See, it will show only last 2 digit, that's all, but it has all the values. If you go and check with the toChar function, you can be able to see this.
Oh, okay. Okay, I thought I am doing something wrong with the
No.
Date.
No.
Okay.
If it is wrong, it should have failed.
Okay. Okay, Chandra. That's it. I'm still doing some other exercises. Maybe I will come up with doubts tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. So left hand side in this your mapping, just a minute. Just a minute. PAB. So left hand side, you are seeing one mapping, right? M underscore the last mapping regions flat file.
This one.
So yeah. So this is a question for all of you. So why that one rectangular mark is there on the left hand side?
It's
Do you know
validation
why?
issue. Validation issue.
Yeah, validation error. Okay. Drag and drop that one into right side. That mapping into right side. So go for mapping, top, mapping, validate. Okay, it will go off if it is valid. Okay, clear? Now you can save it. If the triangle mark is there, then that's a validation issue. You go to the workflow. I was seeing one workflow with invalid. See which one is invalid? This is the invalid, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can drag and drop. Why it is invalid? You
I
haven't
am not.
connected.
Yeah.
You haven't given the connection. That's why it's invalid. Okay. So you should not have any invalid mapping. So you should try to fix that issue. If you are giving the connection, it will not invalid. Give the connection. Link task. Save.
I think I have not completed this. I went through the other
Yeah,
way.
that's okay. But anyhow, so this is what, see, invalid and validation is the error. If you are saying in real time, so you can check it this way. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Chandra, when we are replacing the thumb symbol in a flat exercise, it is a very difficult because when I planning to use a regular expression with non-printable values, I'm not able to do that. So, is there any?
Yeah, Rehan, you have completed that exercise, right? Can you explain how did you complete?
Yes, Chandra, I will share the condition what I have used.
Okay.
So this is the condition I have used.
Okay, I will use that and I will try.
Okay. I have given lots of special characters here, and it removes all the special characters from the word.
Okay. Any other questions you have? Others able to complete? See, don't feel hesitation that this is what we are doing for our training program. Okay, so we are here for completing the exercise. Okay, so please.
Hi, sir. This is Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, I am unable to load from flat file to table. Yeah, I got error, right? And it means the target table was not loaded.
Okay, is it possible to share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Please say, please speak, and then you let me know. We can complete that exercise. Okay, what is the error you are facing? Then only I can able to understand, right?
Yeah,
so whether you are facing issues.
I shared it. Get it?
No, not yet shared. Share screen. Have you shared, Ravindra?
Yeah, I shared, but it's not working. I think. Okay.
No. You have to share. See, go to share screen.
Yeah.
Share screen, and then first option will be there. Share.
Yes.
The share screen. First option. By default, that only, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. See which one. You take the mapping, you take the workflow, you show me. Which one you are not able to do?
Yeah, this one also.
Okay, okay. You drag and drop. Okay, so the source is flat file, target is Oracle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you have given the connection and everything. You have given all the connection. Higher date, you kept it like, why you kept it everywhere? Higher date, it should be a date and time, right?
Okay.
The source.
In the source.
Hmm.
Okay.
See, go to the source analyzer. Go to the source analyzer. Yeah. Here only you can able to change. Okay, this is Oracle.
Okay.
So this is Oracle. You cancel it.
Can go to platform.
Right side, right click, right click outside. Clear all. Okay. So you go. This is your source, right? Go to source on the left hand side. Drag and drop the flat file source. That no plus symbol.
Sorry.
Drag and drop. Okay. So here we have to give the format correctly first of all.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So see, employee ID is number, first name is string, last name is string, email also string, phone number also is string, higher date is the date and time. Okay.
Okay.
So you give the date and time. Columns. Give date and time. Okay. Apply. So what is the format of date and time? You can, I think you have given that format, right?
Okay. In flat.
Yeah. Flat file. Double click. Go to properties. See the format. It's a DD MONYY you have given. Okay.
Yeah.
We will take it that way. Cancel
Okay.
it. What is the commission percentage? You have given a string, right? So change that also as a number.
Okay.
It's a number, okay, not string.
Okay.
Okay. So go to mapping now. Mapping, the fifth component. Mapping designer. Yeah. So now you have changed only on the source side. Look at here. Source is having higher date and time, right?
Okay.
Say that column, source higher date column.
This one.
Go a little
Yeah.
bit down. Down. Source. You right click, select link path, forward. See, look at here how it will be populated.
Okay.
See, source side you have date and time, target also date and time, but in between you have in source qualifier a string, right?
String. Yeah.
Yeah, source qualifier also you change higher date and commission percentage. Both
Okay.
are like a number. Sorry, date and time.
Okay. So double click on this.
Double click on this. Go to port. Higher date and time. Commission percentage is number. Decimal.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, apply. Okay. Save. Control yes.
Yeah.
Then now go to the workflow. Drag and drop the workflow. Okay, run. No need to refresh, run. Start workflow. Monitor, see the left hand side, you choose the workflow.
Yeah.
Choose the workflow.
This one.
Yeah. Right hand side, you choose the session, double click. Left hand side, it is connected to the repository repo showing, right? So that window you can close it. Left hand side window you can close it. No,
sir.
Okay, you close it. This one, top.
This one.
Yeah, close it. Now you go to right click on the session. Get run properties, last option. See here, source and target you choose.
This one.
It got loaded, right?
Yeah, got it.
Got it?
Yeah, valid.
See, you have to practice this way.
Okay.
You check our recording. If you are not able to do right, you please ping me. We will try to fix it. The error. Okay,
Sure.
you are way behind. We have completed around 10 sessions, but you are there in the second or third session only.
Yeah,
You have
actually,
to come along with us.
yeah, laptop got trouble actually. That's why
Okay,
I
okay, okay,
two days back
okay,
only.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no issues, but you have to put some extra effort to
Sure,
come along with us, okay?
sure, definitely.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, thank you.
And any other issues? You are having some other mapping is invalid. Can you?
Yeah,
Can you
that is lookup. I think I will try just after watching your video on YouTube.
okay, okay.
I just trying for
Source qualifier transformation. Yeah.
Yeah.
Drag and drop. Okay, why it is invalid? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell why it is invalid?
On the mapping or expression is not valid one, I think.
Yeah, there is no source and target anything. Just nothing is there, right?
Mhm.
See here, it's empty. Nothing is there.
Okay.
Can you show one toggle window in the top mapping? See the mapping top
this one.
menu, mapping. Mapping,
Yeah, actually, screen
top
was
menu mapping.
it was not
The menu
visible.
bar.
Yeah, this one.
Not that one. Below that, you can find one lens symbol, right? Small lens. Next one. This is called toggle overview window. Okay. Say for example, this is for all of you, I'm telling. So in your project, you have lot of transformation you have. Okay, if you are not able to see which transformation you are dragging, so just click on this toggle overview. Click on that. See here, it will show the window. Okay. The box you are seeing, right?
Yeah.
If you move the box, you move it, drag and drop. So here it will be moved. See, somewhere you kept your source and target and anything, you can see here itself.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
The top anywhere you can see here. Okay. See, in real-time project and all, it will be lot of mappings, lot of transformation will be there. So this toggle overview window will be used in that way.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So try to practice and complete all the exercise. You have to come along with us. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Others, any other doubt? See, please bring it to me. If you are not able to complete, please bring it to me. So this session is meant for that only. Okay. This session is meant for practicing only. See, then only if you are going for any project, you can solve your junior. If your junior is facing some issue, if they're asking you, are making 4 or 5 years experience, right? If they're asking you, then you can able to complete that. You can able to answer them. Okay. You should be in a position, and also you are facing some issue. No need to ask for anybody else. Okay. You need to have the hands-on. See, whatever the hands-on we do here, so that's more than enough. You do whatever I'm telling, right, on day by day. So that will be more than enough to do any backtracking, any troubleshooting. Okay. Others, any other doubt? See, please feel free to ask your question. We will fix it. Even your base level, also no issues. Here, no one will take in negative way. So everybody is learning. Okay, learning phase, everybody is an opportunity for learn. Okay, if you are bringing some issues here. Okay, shall we go to our today's session? Okay. See, today's session is aggregator. Okay, aggregator. So for this aggregator, if you haven't watched my previous session on aggregator, please watch that session on SQL. SQL, I'm saying. In SQL, I have given exercises like aggregate functions. Okay. Today's recording, I will send that link also. You go through that recording completely. It's an Oracle aggregate function. Say for an example, yesterday also, I went for some interview, off-campus interview. There, we were asking some questions on aggregator. Okay, most of them not able to answer. some same questions I have asked, some little small questions for the Tableau developer, Tableau and Power BI developer. But this SQL is very important for that. Just ask this question. Okay, so if I have some city-wise customers list, if I want to go for city-wise count of customers, it's a very straightforward question. They were not able to answer this question. Okay, only few have answered. So city-wise customers count I want to have. Just you have to use select city comma count of star from the table, group by city. That's all. So group by they have to tell, right? So that's what aggregator function is used. See, aggregator is an active and connected one. Okay, it is an active and connected one. So we can do any aggregate function like a minimum, maximum, sum, average, count, median. Okay, all this aggregation we can do. See, these aggregations are nothing but, even if you are giving millions of record to the aggregator, it will give you only one record as output. Okay, only one record as output. This aggregator will give you minimum, maximum, sum, average, count, and everything. Clear? Only one record. So irrespective of number of record, you will get only one record in the output. That too, the last record will get the aggregate value. I will tell you what is this point. Okay. So first of all, I will go to aggregator. See, please watch my session on SQL aggregator. You will get clear idea about all the aggregation. If they're asking any questions on aggregation, you can able to answer them. Okay. So aggregate function, yes. Okay, if you look at here, this is the sheet. I have the student ID, student name, year of study, first year, second year, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. So normally I used to ask this question. Say for an example, each and every students, I have to find out what is the total mark and the average mark. So how will you find in SQL? Each and every students, I want to find
Sum of students.
Sum of
sum of which column you have to make.
Maths plus physics, chemistry.
Okay, you have to use this way, like sum, you have to use like this. Is this we have to use?
No, sir.
Okay, then how will you make the total mark? So it's a very simple question. I want to find out total mark of each student.
Sum of maths, comma, physics, comma, group by of table.
Okay. Okay, why you want to group by here?
Because it's an aggregate function we are using.
No.
Group by student name.
No. Student name, if you are group buying it, what will happen? If 2 David is there, that's the meaning of group by. So 2 Davids is there, it will group it and then it will give you the sum of these 2 David. If everything is a new different student, then you will get all the student name and then you will see. First of all, this is wrong actually. Okay, my question is, I'm asking each and every student's total mark in the row level. Okay, row level. See, if I'm asking like a row level question, right, you have to go for like this only. Simply select mathematics, comma physics, comma biology, all the selection you can do, and then plus symbol, simply plus symbol. Okay, chemistry plus biology. Clear on this? This will give you total marks. So this is what column. I hope you are practicing my SQL sessions. Okay, whenever you are going for any interview on Informatica, first half of the question they will ask in interview in SQL only. Okay, remember this. If you are watching that 6 hours SQL sessions, so definitely it will give you very good confidence on SQL questions. Okay. So normally I used to take for, previously I used to take for some paid course. So I made it like a free one now in the YouTube. So please make use of that. It's a 10 days course actually. Okay, I made it like a free. See here, this is what you have to make the total marks. You can go for something like this for average of marks. So this is for average of marks for each and every students. If I'm asking like a row level, you have to go this way. Clear? And remember, sum you are using, right? You cannot use more than one column here. Inside, you cannot use more than one column. When will you go for aggregate function? Whenever I'm asking questions like a column level. Okay. So remember this difference you should know. Column level. Then only you have to go for aggregate function. See what is a total mark in mathematics? All the mark summation 779. That is a sum of mathematics. Okay. Average of mathematics. Say for an example, I'm asking the average mark in mathematics teacher. Then he will say like in my subject, student got 86.55% as the average mark. Okay. He will say in that way. This is for all the students. For the staff, I'm asking. This is for one particular student. I'm asking, what is your average mark? Able to correlate both the differences, like what is row level, what is column level, like this. Okay. So now, say for an example, what is the maximum mark in mathematics? Can anyone tell? What is the maximum mark in mathematics?
98.
98. It's a column level. Okay, 98. How will you select? Select max of
Select
maths
max.
from the table.
Yeah.
When will you use group by? Say for an example, I'm asking in first year, what is the maximum mark? Second year, what is the maximum mark? Year wise, you go for the maximum mark. Then only you have to use the group by. Okay, year wise. The wise keyword you are saying, right? Wise keyword. So that is called a group by. Year wise, product wise, okay, country wise, department wise, something like that. Wise keyword. Then you have to go for the group by. Group by on the year wise, you are seeing the maximum mark. Say first year maximum mark is 94. Second year maximum mark is 98. So first year minimum mark is 80. Second year minimum mark is 72. So like this, you can go for the group by on the column. Group by on the column means everything should be same value. Then only you can do the group by. If you are going for group by on the student name or group by on the student ID, if you are going for group by on the student ID, so will you get data? No, you will get it. So what you will get? You will get separate value only. Okay, it will not group by any value, right? So unique value, will it group by? No, it will not group by. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, group by having class. Having is nothing but if I want to filter out group by resultant, then I can go for the having class. Okay, please go through my aggregate function SQL alone. Okay, for this aggregator, to understand aggregator. See, even if you are giving millions of record, you will be getting only one record. If you are using group by, each group you will be getting the record. So I have given exercises also here. Look at here. At the end of our session, I will give you this particular document. Okay. You create this table. See, I think create table. Create this table. Okay. And I also posted one video how to upload the data from the Excel file to table. Either you just copy this data, paste it over there, or you can import the table, the data from here to SQL Developer via the import option, left hand side. I have posted one video for that import option also. So right click, import options. Okay, import data. This also we will do in our real time. If you know this very well, then if you're going for any particular time, we want to import some sample data for our testing. Okay, for our unit testing and all, we will do normally. They will ask you to load some sample data, and then they will ask you to run the Informatica flow. So that time you should load the data. You should not know, that time you should not search how to load the data from the Excel sheet. Now itself you learn it. It's very simple only, just 1 minute it will take. Okay, just you create the table, load the data, and answer all the questions. Okay, before that, you watch my session, you can able to answer this question. They will ask this type of question only. Okay, this type of question only. So it's very simple only. If you watch that session, okay, I will send that link to you. Please watch it. Okay, now I will go to the aggregator now. See, select max of salary. So out of all the record, how many? So maximum means what is the level? It's a column level. See, if somebody is getting salary, see, this is a column level. Maximum, minimum, sum, average, everything is a column level. So maximum is, can go for some maximum mark, all the maximum salary. See, maximum salary here in employees table is, in my system, it is 9999 I have given. Okay. In your system, it might be 24,000. Okay, max of, minimum of, right? How many record you are getting? Only one record, sum of. So I'm giving salary. So I want to know how many sum I'm giving. Okay, this much salary I'm giving, total salary. Okay, this is what the sum. So this is the sum I'm giving. So each and every department, how much I'm giving. See, you have some college. The college, there are 4 departments. Okay, there are 4 departments. Each department, there are a lot of staffs are working. Okay, staff are working. You are giving salary like this. Your chairman is asking how much we have given for this particular month, this much. Okay, each and every department, how much we have given. So that means department wise, right? We can use group by department underscore ID. See, if you are using group by department ID, you will get, so this is the sum of salary, that if you add all this salary, right, it will become 8,36,915. This value you will get it. It is distributed for the departments. How many departments are there? 14 departments are there in my table. I want to know which department it is, right? Then I can choose here. Okay, so remember, this is aggregate function. So along with this aggregate function, if you want to select any non-aggregate column here, that column should be there in the group by. You should not use all the column in group by. So it's a meaningful column you have to use. Okay. So look at here. This is what you are seeing. Group by for aggregation, order by is for order by 1. Order by we have seen already. It's for sorting algorithm. Order by 1 means first column will be ordered. Okay, look at here. This is what. If I want to filter out of this resultant, then you have to use the having class. See, having always come with the aggregate function. Having sum of salary. Okay, sum of salary. Sorry. Sum of salary greater than 50,000. So your chairman is asking, so we have 14 departments, each and every department this much amount we are giving. So what are the departments we are giving? More than 50,000 as the sum salary. So this is what having class we have to use. In Informatica, the having class we have to use it like filter transformation. Okay, so I want to go for joiner. Joining you have to use. You have to use employees, department. Then you have to get the department name. That I have given as exercise. Please try to complete. Okay. So this is what you have to use. The aggregate function. Clear. So each and everything you will be getting. See, look at here in employees, how Informatica will interpret the data, right? Select star from employees. If you are taking all the columns, okay, if you are taking all the columns from this source to target, the last record, what the record? William gets. If you are using aggregate function, what is the salary of William gets? You are having 8,300. Instead of this 8,300, it will place this salary here. Okay, you have to take only one column outside, but if you are taking all the remaining columns in Oracle, it will not perform. But Informatica, it will perform the result. It will give you the last record. Instead of salary, it will give you aggregate function. Okay, so it's very simple only. I will show you. Then you can understand. Go to aggregator. See, you can go with the mapping m underscore aggregator transformation. Okay. If you look at here, this is what the functionality of aggregator. So you can take aggregator here, summation. Okay, this is aggregator. The summation, right? This aggregation. So double click on it. I want to find out sum of salary. You can go for salary. You keep the cursor here, salary. You can click on the plus symbol. Okay. Sum underscore salary. Just I'm giving one new port. If this is a decimal, here also it's a decimal. Okay. This should be I'm making like input port. Some salary I'm making like output. Just here I'm making sum of salary. That's all. How do I know how many functions are there here? So in expression transformation also you can see this functionalities, but except this aggregator. So this folder will be there in extra in aggregator. Okay. Aggregate folder will be there in extra. So here you can do these kind of aggregation here. Average count, first, last, maximum, minimum, sum, average count, everything you can able to see here. Okay. Okay. Sum of salary. I'm seeing here. If you want to use any group by, you can use it group by column. But first I'm not using any group by, just simply select. So normally we have to select only the aggregate column to the next level transformation, only aggregate column. Salary column, salary column only. But since we are taking all other columns to the next level, you'll be getting the last record. Okay. Clear. Control yes. Go to workflow. Create workflow, WF underscore aggregator transformation. Okay, can use this and aggregator. Double click. Irrespective of number of record in the source, target you will be getting only one record. Up to last record, it will make the aggregation. Since I have taken all other remaining columns, I have to take only this column only. Since I have taken all other remaining columns, right? So it will make the last record the values. Okay, look at now. Okay, I think it not loaded. Okay, only one record you are getting. Clear on this? Only one record you are getting. If you go and check here, see last record, instead of his salary, it is taking the summation salary. But normally you have to consider this this column only. Okay, clear on this? Okay, so this is what the aggregate function. I'm going for group by. So group by on the department ID. So each department ID, it will make the aggregation. In the last record, it will place the aggregate value. Look at here. So if I have some 10 departments, then each and every record, last record, it will place the value. You have to consider only department ID and salary column. Some salary column, okay? You should not consider all the columns. Okay, 14 records has been loaded. So 14 departments are there. If you go and check here, you have to consider only the department ID and salary. If you add all the salary, right, it will become like 8 lakhs, that say 8,36,000. That value it will come. Okay, this is what you have to consider for aggregate function. Okay, in Informatica, the aggregator, whenever you are going to run the aggregator, it will do two operations. One is sorting, other one is aggregation. Okay, one is sorting, other one is aggregation. So whenever you are using aggregator, the aggregator, first of all, it will do the sorting algorithm. Say for an example, I have a bunch of currencies. Okay, bunch of currencies. It has mingle with all the different currencies, currency notes, denominations. Okay, if I'm asking you to say the what is the sum value of all these currencies, what will you do? First of all, you will do sorting based on the denomination, right? First of all, you will do sorting based on the denomination. Then you will be doing, that's called a group by, grouping it on the denomination. Then you are doing the sorting, you are doing the counting. So what is the value? So then you are summing up all the value. Same way, Informatica also will do the same thing. Okay. So whenever you are giving some aggregator, it will do the sorting algorithm, then it will do the aggregation. So if whenever in real time, if you are giving me some millions of data, aggregator if you has been used, then the particular session will take a lot of time to run complete. So definitely you will face some performance issue on the aggregator. So if I want to increase the performance of the aggregator, you have one option called sorted input. Okay, in the aggregator, you have one option called sorted input. So what is the meaning of sorted input, right? If you are enabling the sorted input, okay, you are reducing the overhead of aggregator by giving you the sorted data. Okay, if you don't enable, what will do? Aggregator, it will do two operations. One is sorting, another one is aggregation. If you enable it, you are informing aggregator that, okay, don't do any sorting. I will give you a sorted data. You do only aggregation. That is the meaning of sorted input. Look at here. If it has been checked, input to the transformation is assumed to be already sorted by the group by port. So what is the group by port here? I'm using department ID. If you are using any group by port, so that group by port you have to select. I have chosen this sorted input, but I'm not giving any sorted data to the aggregator. Will it succeed? No. I'm violating the agreement, right? The agreement is I will give you the sorted input, but I'm not giving you the sorted input based on the department ID. Just I'm directly giving. So because of that, it will fail. The session will fail. If you have chosen sorted input and if you have group by enabled, then you have to use sorter before aggregator. Otherwise, it will fail. See, aggregate error, expecting keys to be descending order. So that's what the error you are getting. Okay. Okay, this is the one thing. Okay, in order to, if you haven't used group by, right, then it will get succeeded. Only you are using aggregation. You are not using any aggregator group by, then it will succeed. Look at here. Even though I have used sorted input, but I haven't selected group by, then it will get succeeded. Okay, it is getting succeeded even though you have selected sorted input. Okay, sorted input you have selected, but group by I have selected. What I have to do? Before aggregator, you have to place one sorter. Look at here, A to Z. Sorter. So which port I have to sort? Group by port. Double click. Group by this port, you have to do the descending order, ascending order. That's all. You have to give the sorted input to the next level. Okay. So here I have chosen sorted input. I have placed on sorter, whatever the group by port I have used here. So that port I have selected. So it will succeed now. Look at now. This is the way you can improve the performance issue. If you look at here, it will get succeeded now. So this is one of the interview questions they will ask you. Okay, now it got loaded. So this is what you have to make. Any questions on the aggregator? So this is the aggregator. I will tell you what is incremental aggregation on the workflow level task, workflow level properties while we are saying. So that one I will give you. I have given, today we have seen only one transformation. That's okay. First of all, you have to look at the aggregate functions, SQL. Then you try to complete this exercise. It's very easy only. Okay, Informatica exercise I have given. See, I have explained here, take employees as flat file, department as table. You have to use joiner, aggregator, and filter. Then I want the result like this. Okay, the target. Okay. So department ID, department name, count of employees I want. So this is what I want to have. Okay, any questions? Okay, so please try to complete. Tomorrow we will take another two exercises. Sorry, router and rank we will complete. These two are very easy only. We will complete. Okay. So please, all of you send the screenshot of at least this screenshot. You are completing. I want to track just this screenshot. How many transformation you have completed, exercises, how many you have completed, whether all of them are working fine. If you are facing any issues, please let me know, then only I can help you out. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow. Same time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.